Hi, good day everyone. So I'm Teacher Love from English International Language School Incorporated, also known as ELSA. I'm teaching reading and writing classes. So I facilitate students to improve their reading skills, pronunciation, and reading comprehension skills. I'm also a kindergarten teacher. And so in kindergarten, we have a variety of students with different nationalities and different characteristics.
Hi everyone! I am Teacher Faith, so I am a teacher here in my beloved school, ELSA. I am teaching grammar and also I am teaching kindergarten students. We provide quality education for our dear students and we also cater everything that our students need. Not just learning but also character.
I am Teacher Delphine. I teach speaking class, and in my class, I really want you to speak, and I will correct your grammar and especially your pronunciation.
Hello, good day everyone. My name is Teacher April. I'm kindergarten team leader. Here at ELSA Kindergarten, we follow the pattern of the UK early years foundation stage. We provide our students opportunities to learn about communication and language, personal, social, emotional, physical development, literacy, numeracy. Of course, children get to interact and use English as a means of communication.
我是 Elsa 学弟，这里的师资其实真的不错。刚开始在多益课程的话，那时候都是用猜的，大概是200到300之间。然后现在自己预测大概有700啊。
这个老师在聊天之时，他可以随便说这里我说的文嘛。平常在这里会觉得压力大，想要运动，这里有投篮球棒，练习投篮，还有羽球，一些基本的。
我本来刚开始还会讲，我现在来这边2个月，那我就是现在在讲跟我们互动的教育知识。我这边的老师有办法带经验比较好。ELSA 我觉得它是一个度假村那种放松。
Yes，就是比较多是就是跟老师可以一直讲话，所以就是我觉得以后帮助很大，就是如果你遇到外国的话，可以就很顺畅的可以跟别人讲。ELSA 因为是少数就是会准备素食食物的人，所以如果你是吃素的话，我选择来这边学校 ELSA 是因为距离海边很近，可以看夕阳，等天色越来越暗，然后在海边的话会有。
So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and study with us.
Welcome to ELSA!